Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming in my presentation today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ismail Matunisa with NPM 212511031, Mathematics Education student at Siliwangi University. My presentation today talks about mental health. In today's presentation, I'd like to cover points. Firstly, the definition of mental health according to WHO. Secondly, the importance of mental health awareness. And finally, how to maintain mental health. Before starting to discuss the material, it would be nice if we can cite basmalah first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now, let's look this slide. You can see the meaning of mental health. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, mental health is a state to well-being in which an individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope with the normal stage for life, can work productively, and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. Then the next slide, explaining the importance to mental health awareness. Mental health is very important for human life. Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, which contain 17 goals and 169 targets, with the third that the goal to be achieved is a healthy life at all age. This also applies is mentally healthy at all age. In order is achieve these goals, it's necessary develop comprehensive mental health awareness in Indonesia. The first thing that can be done is to change the stigma that mental health is a taboo subject. In that mental health is important physical health, so that when there is mental health problem, the public can immediately visit as a professional such as psychologists or psychiatrists, so that it can handle properly. Then, and the last slide, explaining how to maintain mental health. Here are some things you can apply in maintaining mental health, including: first, respect yourself. For example, by not compressing to others. Secondly, find the best ways to manage stress for the life for yourself, such as keeping a diary, going for walks and talking. And third, be grateful for everything you have, so you can accept and love yourself. Then do things that make you happy. And finally, apply a healthy lifestyle, such as eating healthy foods, exercising regularly, and getting enough rest. Maybe that's all that can explaining mental health. Any question?
Thank you for the opportunity. permission to ask what is our mental health is down?
Thanks for the question. So, mental don't affect each individual in different way. Most people will usually feel sad or helpless, and there are various other symptoms. The cause of mental downturn affect the mind, body, and behavior. One way, one way to deal with turn, mental downturn is to talk about how you feel. Talking to someone you trust or seeking peer support can you feel better and not alone. I think the question brings us to the end presentation. Finally, I'd like to finish by thanking for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.